Oh! Oh my god.
Kate, my golf cart's stuck and I'm getting jumped.
That cave we originally tried going to, that's the one that's to our left, right? Like over there.
Yeah. But I want to check out this blue marker first. I mean, it says right here.
Oh, it's yeah. Oh, what the heck? I feel like we should not be really pull it out the gun. Oh, like
What is
we
this?
can start making electric in our house
With what?
with the light bulbs.
Oh. What is this? Oh my god.
Oh, no.
Ethan. We can print shit. Let's print masks.
Make a mask, yeah. There's 700 milliliters in there right now.
Yeah, this is cool, bro. Now what? Hold on. Hold on, let me get that. Grappling hooks, tech mesh, sled. What? Yeah, print two of those.
That shit's crazy.
Which way?
Down there, it just leads out. It's a bunch of like broken windows, and it leads out into like this really lit up. There's a lot more of this place.
What's that noise?
It's probably
Some cash. I can't give you a definite answer right now, but I'll look into it. It's gonna take a little bit more. These are not breaking rock, dude. It can make armor, but it's kind of expensive, and it only gives it's the same as every other armor, I think. I don't know, hit me.
I would rather not.
Just hit me. Hit me again. Huh. I don't think it's worth it. It's batteries, tape, and a lot of other stuff. But I say we leave and we'll come back. I'm actually gonna put a GPS locator on this so that...
Yeah, we'll probably need to come back here for sure. Oh, there's another golf cart battery.
How do I drop it? How do you drop it? The upper cave?
And then you lead, I'll follow.
Shall we?
Let's do it.
You think they're sharks?
Yeah, I was just thinking.
Oh god. Med time. Another oxygen tank. Flippers. Ammo.
What's...
Alright.
There's a dude up here.
Huh?
There's a dude up here.
Nice. Oh shit! Oh! That was scary.
Yeah.
Should we go down and see what's in here?
Well, what's over there?
Hold on.
There's down there's over there.
Let's just check down here. Never mind. That was uneventful. Creepy crawlies. There's a lot of them. Oops. I didn't light it. Oh god. That was... What the fuck kind of grenade is that? Bro, that grenade did not have a timer.
Yeah, that was pretty quick of an explosion.
Oh my god!
Let's get a Molotov ready.
Let's get quite a few Molotovs ready. Oh! Where is he?
He's dead. I mean, he fell in the water pit.
Oh.
Hello, motherfucker.
Oh! Oh! I don't know what to do! Alright, let me light my Molotov. Where'd he go?
Are currently growing in numbers. We gotta actually do something. I don't know.
I can't see him.
I can't.
Ah!
He keeps just running up on me.
Oh my god.
What am I stuck on? What the fuck? I'm stuck on a stupid phone.
Oh!